Welcome, oh my software engineer. So in this example, we can see about array store exception. Okay, so how to resolve this kind of exception we can see in this video. So I have written one code I have declared at line number 7 we can see. So I have declared one text, we can call it as a string, and that is the comma separated characters are there in the text. Okay, at line number 8, what I'm doing, I'm splitting the text with the help of the regular expression. Okay, so we can use a split method for that. So when we split this one, then we are adding into the object array. But what happening here, so when I run my application, so I can see array store exception. Okay, I wanted to resolve this exception, and why it's happening I don't know, so we'll see about it. Okay, here the split method, it's returning a string of array, and I'm storing it to the object array. So this is the one mistake I'm doing. Instead of storing it to the object array, I should have stored into the string array. Okay, okay, no worries. But also I can resolve this one by changing the type of value. So let's make this 123 to string. Okay, I have added d here. I have added d at the index zero index of object array. Okay, object array always accept the string array only. Okay, this is the string array. String array means the every object is a string. Okay, so this is like a generic kind of thing. Generic array. The string array only accept the string contents only. Okay, now we'll see whether my exception will go away or not. Let's try. See, in the console, I'm not seeing any exceptions. It means, so this is the correct way of adding the values to the index. So in this way, we can resolve array store exception. Okay, for more doubts, you can comment in the uh, below of the video. Then accordingly, I will try to resolve your problems. Thank you.